This is a cooking word mat. Here we have an oven where you can put cakes to cook. A cooker is the general name for the complete thing with the top, which is the hob, and the oven underneath. Here we have the word chop, when you cut things very small. Here we have whisk, when you mix things quickly with this type of instrument. Sift is when you put flour or sugar or cocoa or something through a sieve and into the bowl. Mix is when you combine ingredients. Stir is when you move your spoon around the bowl. Sprinkle is when you use your fingers to drop very small things on the top of something, like these sprinkles going on the cake. Weigh is to see how many kilos something weighs. Crumble is when you break things into small pieces with your hands. Grate is what you do to cheese with a grater. Heat is when you make something hot. Slice is when you cut something in a knife into pieces of this shape. You can slice bread or slice meat. You can slice cheese or even vegetables. Knead is when you squeeze and squash the dough with your hands, maybe for pizza or pasta. Pour is when you pour the liquid or the cake mixture out of the bowl. A hob is the top part of the cooker where you have the gas. Melt is when you warm something until it turns into a liquid, like chocolate melts to become a liquid. Spoon, you can have a wooden spoon, which is very useful for cooking. Cut is the action you do with a knife. This is a microwave. And this is to blend. You can blend things, which means you mix them very, very well in a blender.